Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to TECNO Spark 20 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices to get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Then tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. When you're ready, hit send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and receive right next to send at the bottom of TECNO. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. In last two categories, contacts and files, you need to tap allow a few more times to access all of them. When you're done, hit send next to selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any app, OK in white pop-up. And then got it in here some tip 1 to decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And hit Receive button to connect. Close or adds. And as you can see, after that my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!